Ebusiano no Badwam so eni ekwasinsia ye krado Brasto said obon kwata no na poso ye de ema wo sanso na online portal no ensema hodo e woso no so na ye de ama na kwasi kwaba
mejoso
emre bi mehia abaya bi asante achimagoko.
Okay.
Akoda emfihia miensa
3 years.
3 years. Mi twamua no se ohemani din na msomhwe no na menye makeup mpu ohemani din na msomhwe no Adam say e dey asema no aka kire papa so onim no no papa sesa mo ro papa jo wona ya woni akwasinsia ye bedwam no na mse ai si he me bai so onim me koya eya me hwe woni akwasinsia akra 3 years
3 years
so wo hwe me hwe wo ene akwasinsia oyo mo kasa mo katire ma ni bi your friend no enkunim drowa Roxy Maya.
Wow.
Yes. Sister enkunim drowa Roxy Maya.
Enti enkunim ano pe chia o.
Ye chia o pa wasante achim do me abra.
Ye ni so.
Nyankopon hira. Kwa 3 years.
3 years kra timi soro na hwe bedwam.
Yes.
Ene ana medimi ya so ye penina sa won hwe a wo ha ho.
Sa.
Because information wa ha. Tie ne fa bitu anamo na obi amfa so kwa na no wa chenchina. Kunim, a very good morning to you.
Yes. Kunim so hwe.
Yes.
They bo akwasinsia na say eh. Akura yi o so hwe akwasinsia.
Kunim da say ya menhira no onye okese.
Ya menye okese nkunim.
Ono abusuafo nyina. Yeah. Akosia. Je be die ni akosia. Se me kan sa pade be mabo din pe. Ade achi adwa. Ade achi biem. Ade achi bia. Obi an sorry ko adwuma but sa ade we. Holidays no. Say between Mondays and Thursday. Ye na ye nyintum se ye de be ko Friday.
Because we say no na em say me menda.
Ko ene say ejuma ye beba for.
The alarm ne bo ready nam say na dey allow me.
And ejuma ye beba for.
Dem kai say na ye fiada.
Yes. Mom ye nyina nyintum so man. Say holidays ne dey.
Say esi ya wada.
Between Mondays to Thursday. Ye de ko Friday.
Yes. Ne long weekend.
That is it.
Anopa me do car park na say eh utimi say nkrofo bref. Ko ka ha no num na ho ayema.
Man phone timi mba. Man phone timi mba. Eba sa ye ha yankasem.
Necessary.
Na we dey can necessary.
Say Monday so ayetumi ye. Say no Sunday into Monday.
Who's at least see Monday. I do see Monday and say oh Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Not Tuesday no.
What resume?
But e be see in between the week na o homene no ochana na wo sa kwa ya.
Akwaduro kakra bi ba.
Ya na bibi. Interior minister, mumye nyin o man e biam kase ya ye dia. Ye ne ye chichire ye man. Ye ne decide ne ye pese ye dia man no eye. Yes. Interior minister ne parliament me hwe public holidays ne bi. Say between Mondays and Thursdays Alice pushing for Friday.
Na yenya long weekend.
That is it na amanfo nkoye adwuma na rest ni mu no afei
anopa ade che adwuma.
Oso ya ba adwuma na aye bibia ewo ho. Bia ho no. Asem adwuma. Enu aso memu
occupy Julobi house. I mean who di na emesre. I didn't see that was a Julobi house. A Jubilee house. Okay, protesters arrest on the okay. Let's say na okuku ajima na che say chira wo chire wo mu a na ye chire no.
Hwe. Adwe de niema bi edi agro wo mamu too much.
Yes, security.
Yes. Mesa protest enye na sabina mi hunu faso bia na woso.
Okay.
You want to occupy somebody's office. Nipa ni adwuma mu osie mie prema ma occupy.
Maybe na okra right be na wo se occupy office.
But granted a buy office a mamu nyina office. But enu na apese occupy a holiday. Mampani ni ho na be de eche ni chief of staff ni ho omo ye adwuma se sie abekwa akoto omo ye omo mpepa ho na omo mbo ho bai.
Don't just how the Jubilee House a security zone.
I don't know because we granted class say you be catch you say
yen swan kat ye mfam
e buy kra tena ye. Ghana for you but upaso
but e efficacy mo
say occupy the place na we put in office o simpese mo occupy for me the protest no was unnecessary.
There be me put a mini problem with the protest because obia wo akwanya say bibi ikoso na ontiase a wo kire na dwen wo ho ebi omo dey demonstration but at that moment is the Jubilee House a place In fact, even a private institution, who knew what you say, who call see me in a
also Julobi House. Why?
You can say, yeah, Jubilee House,
because your man your 7 year per year.
Yeah, mine and the air
we NDC, they will join the year. You are sent to the name Julobi House. Who person your mama Cotton?
So Cotton stay at Julobi House.
What Nipa Bell cranny?
Now, first, I Flagstaff House, I yes, send the air for Bencroft and Castle. Said,
Nipa Bell cranny, Nipa Bell cranny. Because of politics.
The funny matra and time.
Me and Shani, you now your politics, yet time too much. There be ya chiwe, ain't in a
Kwesi, enter the be a yaudia woman, no. Because you need a moment crime of politicians, they use more. And Tiafe or more bad Baymuna say, Yan favor almost said you no more expect here. Now, fair now to a money, yes, antique for friendly and more by way. For how long are we going to do that?
The women about him say the seat of Omino Atraya Cassie. Ye me man kwa bra we say and indim say a dada person ko ne holiday. Sem kwatena na ayede.
Da bi no bi akora wo kwan so Jubilee House.
Okọ na so baby esaya. Ni esa ne Ghana sika sa akwakoye. Ni yenye sika amfa mo ma no bre yo sabe ka say aban di sika.
If you very nice.
Sabi we should excuse my language because say to the bia ye ma ya dwiem die no kwanim kakra ye betime a politicians ni me koso enye
betime demonstration
ye kanya asem nkire aban but unim pefe pass Thursday na person occupy Jubilee House no a holiday etu a petition kwa wana de command what do command cleaner no cleaner na de command no na nso ye nyam panifo bia sori de akire so sa de tintan senso calling the seat of government Jubilee House. Your members of parliament supporting this. What kind of people are we? What kind of people are we? Is the name going to change when your mama take office? What kind of are they? Are they? How can always be? Say you be team even to the highest seat of the land. Say Jubilee House. Shame unto you. What kind of people are we? Any papa in this today? And the same democracy interest, yeah, quanisa. Oh, there be young Kaya Sam Fan Trabai. Yen say ya drink trabai. Yen two and among your yet trabai. But not this way. Yeah, please, for Swajua. I think we still need that train of crowd controlling. Yes, a work from IGP, a work from a crowd controlling. No, a work from too much. A work from Dodo. A work from Dodo. A book come for police for Swan. A baby say, "Ye fakidi." There be American some so ye police near. The average Ghanaian respects you because of the uniform, not because of your person.
Uniform, no baby,
so ye police near. And a security service near. Fashion team said the Ghanaian respect you because of the uniform.
So that means they respect the uniform.
That is it, not you, the person. Tell Nana Kobika say, "Oh, say, oh, uniform na show na."
Tell me see a board.
Yen train ye. The rate at which a person in Ghana for that confrontation. And for so be yes, and for so be a masadi so. Yenya training papa family place for on crowd controlling. Send him the will form the door. And what form the door? Nipa kakrebu come for police for so and I said Takeshina. No,
China
so be any so. Ajua I'm for Ghanaian Times now. Assembly about Ghanaian Times. Now tribune start here way about tanker union owners. Omo asema no mo kan say. China phobia koto tracks abaye man.
Aba o me kai. CJ kura di hu nkomo Canada no e wo dwa so.
Ya adua. Omo ne baba ji omo adwuma omo ye no. Ba so ko NP atena ya. Ye fem odwuma de na ye de obako ye friend upstream, ye obako ye friend downstream. Upstream what they see a jama amanone from ko hosikal modru.
Okay.
Downstream they say Ghana ni na also yes aden. E ti see e fa fem wo de free bia ba ko de akọ bia ba ko say Ghana ni.
So wo de tanker.
Yes.
E di free nkran ha na ba bia de akọ
de. E fa fem wo de akọ bi. O say Ghana ni na to sa tanker no e de. But they say China for bia ko fa doma begum.
Hey.
te Ghanaian Times on pay airborne hamanie ama tanker drivers union of kono ye kan ho asem na otwo asem de kan yes oma kan ho asem ama ne Ghanaian Times de aba sa bampen phone to nem nya say emem yetum sa na amanonefo afoman no mu
ye ka say we are not capable of
adwuma ye jai dia ma Ghana fo se Ghana fo nye no afeda amanonefo agi adwuma no akentenso Ghanaian Times e de sa asem no aba. Let's reform UN Security Council, Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, to conform to current global trends. Occupy Jubilee House protest. Please clash with protesters. Reflect on development agenda of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, CPP. Take communications agenda setting seriously. Cabinet to MDAs. Ghanaian Times. Daily Guide. 49 illegal protesters grabbed. NPP welcomes Adwoa Safo's apology. I have no beef with Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia Ken a Japan I can say. Electoral consideration would compromise development goals. Finance Minister. Daily Guide. Daily Graphic. Reform UN Security Council. President Nana Adom Akufo-Addo. Every eligible voter will be captured, EC chair assures. Prioritize national interest, Dr. Abu Sakara. Graphic digitalizes archives, 70 years national records documented. Daily Graphic. The Inquisitor Amdiwianiako online. NPP flag bearership showdown. Can get loutish. Mix Bawumia his prey. Sami Jemfi angry over demonstrators' arrest. OSP Neil Cecilia ya ode dapa feather. Ya ode. Oka mami ode.
Making kama.
OSP Neil Cecilia ya ode.
Nese kanidi
ho. Mo eno wo inverted commas.
Any powerful picture nda.
Picture ni ya chisika da pansu picture. Cecilia ya ode dapa. Mami ode. Comes to the picture of Honorable Cecilia Brandapa, former Minister for Sanitation, then Special Prosecutor, Okay. Dr. Pepper makes strong case for achieving net zero at 24 WPC in Canada. The Inquisitor.
Okay. You share your online portal, also adomonline.com. Occupy Jubilee House. Protesters arrest unnecessary. Nana Opoku Ajimane said. Franka Tunia Bedi Eche wa fimpiri ni aduonu ni mu brana NDC amonyoko no ekosina ni mu no and I want so akasa all the photos you need to see from #Occupy Jubilee House demo into Adom online and fonyini a ye said that so man central for say omunko twitwa de hia ni nyina no ubiemu a ewo ho. Can't we demonstrate in peace? Dumelo na say John Dumelo no ono susu busa sa de o mayi mo no say akwanya ni ho no mo say obeye o ye kira na Sami Jemfi so Occupy Jubilee House Sami Jemfi demands release of protesters on so the no aba say in the na say wo mo opposition no say na ba kwesi na akoye say mo na mo hyekire mo ye o manfo no yoduo
me de balen say no pepe do meko court
okay
nipa 49
so mabu mra so de say Ghana mra wo say yadwuma yeah kwesi de meka say mra so o page ya betra se atoto wonu say mra no
be anya adwuma
yo so o page na aba wo say mra wo Occupy Jubilee House moment protester was arrested during live TV interview. There's a way no. Now one central for credit nkomo na ne wo mo twe na se a wode ne ko ye nya no nko ade wo ho. Okọ adomonline.com and some bebre we no na say trend there. Tie ne dikan. There were entertainment. Some wo ho, some wo ho. Some wo my joy wo ho. We ran some be wo ho. Some say Dache
ni nua
ene Adom ye hwe my joy say
enko my joy la enko hwe omo so no mo dia ba na da ho no ebina na asma na
asma na ka bi ni derogatory captioning of presidency by organizers unacceptable. Richard Ahiagba na e ka no
say adwa unim ne kuro wo mu yese when MPP is also in opposition they do similar things.
Yes.
Almost share a kobi echimie toto edin di say aban enuma ene ade nyina but ebia meka se aba bedum pempen so bi o man mu a there needs to be a stop gap one way or the other also be sacrificing
yes
ne de
no man for be the sua nyansa
that is because ye say NDC abeye, MPP abeye, NDC abeye, MPP abeye. We are not moving to anywhere.
Thank you.
One way or the other, or say at a point, there should be a stopgap.
Yes.
Say I do a united to the Sebio, a yen semunu, and who here, and ne ye
near politics of equalization. No,
it's our country. Yamwe my home by.
Thank you. Ebusiano no na ene ye fiada na se ne ye bojaye enra ya konfome yaba. Enti ye free head ye na me kai we say we kan sie mu nsem beba sanso ena ho sepe beba asemi dika. Den ni ahwe interviews bi horma na ye twa free horma ma na ne kwasi ntia sa atena se na mpense mu atwa so Badwam